Alright. We're back and we're going for a little rescue here. My homie, DJ Huerta. We're trying to get ready for Bandas y Truckas. Hope I said that right. I'm not Hispanic, but shit. That show was fun, man. And we're trying to take the freaking the 95 C1500. You know, he's done a lot of work to it. Right now he's trying to replace the dash. So I'm about to pull up, help the homie out, because apparently they moved like the brake booster or something like that. So we're gonna have to like take off the brake booster to get like this harness out. I don't know. Anyways, stressful. Got like a month. We're trying to get this thing done so we can trailer it out and freaking post up at Bandas y Truckas. So yeah, let's go link up with the homie and see what's up. See what he needs. Alright, hopefully just pulled up, it's raining a little bit. Oh god. Just pulled up, it's raining a little bit, so we got the truck in the little cave in here. Let's see what we got going on. It's dark. Need some lights in here. Jeez. That is pretty dark, but you see that thing is tore apart. Homie freaking cracked that thing. So POV. Just kidding. Alright. It's freaking dark, yo. Use my flashlight for my phone. So, yeah, we've never taken off a dash out of an OBS. So, we're going to start with... Okay. The new dash didn't come with the vents. This is the vent here that goes all the way down, you know, into all the fucking AC vents, you know what I'm saying? Right here. So we're gonna start taking off the vents, and then we're gonna see what we can see in the freaking wires. Let's see here. Hey, is this ink dry? Am I gonna be black?
You're probably gonna be black in your head. No. There's like some areas where.
Oh yeah, it came off. All right. Got the freaking vents out. Actually, pretty quick. Quicker than I thought. Had to cut this. Nasty little thing. Freaking.
The way we're doing it is not the right way. It was already
yeah, like I said earlier, like I've never taken out this dash in like any of the OBSs I owned. I haven't even watched a single video yet. We're just like winging this shit. And I mean, this thing is falling apart. Yeah, those might work. So I got pretty much all the wires are detached except for there's like a clip right behind that.
Yeah, I was about to get the.
Yeah. But other than that, then it should just come out. You're gonna have to take off the, there's like the sensor for the glove box right there.
Yeah, I have to take.
I unplugged it, but it needs to be. I don't know how to take it off. I don't want to rip it off. I just
Where's the other clip?
yeah, that should be the last one. This whole rail kept together, so all the wires are stay in it. All right, little update. We just got back from the store. Boys got some new tools. Might not need some of them, so probably return some. We'll see. I said it earlier, but we'll say it again. This freaking sucks. The guys that had the truck before, homie, freaking had to move the wait, what'd they move again? You know this shit. Oh, so they moved this one, right?
Yeah, the harness for this. For for the fuses and
So move the harness over.
Moved it up,
Welded it over there, right?
Yeah, that's why booster's in the way.
Yeah, so we're having trouble getting this freaking bolt out that's in the center of that freaking black harness, so we can get that out. So we don't want to remove the booster. We will if we have to, but we don't want to because that's a freaking pain in the ass. So we got this long ass Torx. We'll see what she can do, baby. Let's see what she can do. If not, we're gonna pull the truck out here and we're gonna burn it. Well, just like that, we're done. It's looking good. Got it painted all black. Looks Gucci. Everything's put back in the right place. Pretty organized. It's the harness. That's a pain in the ass. We got to put back through the firewall, but all the other pieces over there are painted black. So yeah, just gotta reinstall now, baby. Suck it. Yo, what's good? It's a couple days later. About to hit the gym, then head over and help the homie finish up the freaking dash. But I hope most of the footage I got was actually in view because I was wearing a freaking GoPro on my head. Never worn one before. I was trying to get the angle right. So, but yeah, a couple days later, we're gonna hopefully get the dash back in and get it running again and get it all cleaned up and ready for next month. Honestly, if we finish this up, we'll see if he wants to do anything else, but hey, we got extra time. Could throw some extra little fun in on it. But anyways, see you in a minute. Finish it up. Reprogramming my brain. Gotta get a new signal to the tower. My Wi-Fi is going out. Shit's backwards, bro. I should have went first. Just put it in backwards. Fuck it. You just like stapling it in. Run. Shit.
Watch out for the log behind you.
Watch out for this log right here. What is that? Is that the old dash?
Yeah, it's the old dash.
Don't fucking trip, dude. You fucking trip. You're gonna bust your ass and the dash.
Oh, dude, that would be fun. That would be so fun.
Oh, cool.
You can't put it in grab while it's in batteries.